Picture yourself in the 2022 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, tow hooks, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.